Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Beam. Well, it's almost a daily update on Beam right now. I mean, Beam has been incredibly strong. It still is, and we can actually start talking about perhaps going up to 3 cents, which is pretty ridiculous. I did not expect a rally like this when I bought here at around 1 cent, but I mean, in the end, since the start of December, it has been so strong, and there's multiple things behind it. I mean, we already talked about it yesterday, all right? So we'll repeat it briefly. There's just, I mean, Beam is in a great sub industry of crypto around gaming, etc. It has rebranded, which we have seen that a lot of these rebranding cryptos are performing very well. It has great backing, great partners behind it as well in market making, etc. And it's being hyped up quite a bit on crypto Twitter, for example, by Alex Becker. And then there's also some manipulation going on if you look at where the volume is coming from. But that's a relatively small amount. So now the big question is well, what's next for Beam, all right? I would say, and I'll leave that up to you, all right? It's up to you, of course, whether that's the truth or not. But I would say, in general, my analysis have been pretty correct, all right? Because what I said yesterday, and what I've basically said all the time with Beam, is that it's moving up in these ranges, all right? So you have these ranges. First it was quite a long range, then another shorter range, shorter, and now maybe shorter, I don't know, but it moves up in ranges, all right? So yesterday what I said is that we were stuck right here between 2.25, which we hadn't reached yet, but I did expect that, and this level at 1.9. And we would have to see a breakout, and if we would break out above 2.25, so you can, like, that would have been a beautiful trade because it did a break retest and all, then we would probably head up to 2.5, which we did. 2.45 at first, but 2.45, 2.55 was the level. So we went up there, and well, I didn't do an emergency update, but in the end we also broke above that, all right? A small tiny range right here. And then we also broke above that. So what's going to happen with Beam, very simply said, is it's going to keep rallying until it gets a bearish breakout. All right, so that's what we have to watch. Right now, very technically, the strongest support level, I would say, is right here at 2.45 cents and 2.5 cents. And the strongest resistance is very clearly like Beam respects the psychological levels very, very well. So that's always very easy. So then it's easier to make price targets in the future as well. So my next price target would be 2.95 and 3.05 cents. Excuse me, my table is shaking like crazy. So the question is will we get up there or not? And it depends. Again, I mean, right now Beam is just stuck in this area between 2.45 and 2.75 cents. This is the area, and it's either going to get a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout. Now, because of the manipulation in Beam, at some point of time, it is going to crash, and it's going to crash down hard. But at this moment, with this open interest, which is still, it's a bit wicked, but it's still quite high and bullish, I have to say that I still think it's most likely that we will also get a breakout above 2.75 cents. And once we've gotten that bullish breakout, I think that's confirmation that we'll get up to 3 cents. And from there, we'll see again. I'll try to keep you updated if you're interested in that. That's a little bit up to you, though, of course. Let me know down in the comments. But for now, it's waiting for either this, which I think is most likely given the circumstances around the market, or for Beam to drop down below its support at 2.45 cents. And if it's not able to break above that, like in the next 2 candles after breaking down below that, that's a bearish breakout, and then we're probably going to get the crash down to 2.2, below 2 cents, and who knows how far. All right? Those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.